Hello, this is an interesting tutorial from Alan Lois, a Spanish guy. It's in Builderall and Mailingboss and Workflow. Everything is very interesting. Go ahead and look at it.
So step 1, we need to create a new list. We go to our dashboard, apps, and Mailingboss. And now here we're going to create a new list here. We just type in the name, for example, BA Leads. We're going to copy this here and here. We click continue. And here we need it to be single opt-in. And here we need to put our URL, but for this case, Builderall allowed us to specify builderall.com and just say these are going to be our leads from BA, something like that. Okay, and we click continue. And here we need the email field and the first name. So we're going to click here and save changes. And here we go to fields. This is BA Leads list. So we go to fields just to check that we have email, and the real name of the field is email, and here we have F name, so it's correct. Now we go back to the page called affiliates, and we go to leads on the left menu. So we come here again, we click on options, save email list, and here we're going to choose now the new list that we just created. It's here, BA Leads. Okay, and you click save. I'm not going to do it because I already have mine saved. Okay, so you click save. So that's going to put every Builderall Leads that we get from now on into that list, the BA Leads list. Now, step 2, we go back to Mailingboss here where we were before, and we just go to Workflow here on the top menu. And here, this is the workflow where we configure the automations. Now we're going to drag this element list, just drag it here, and we're going to choose the list that we already created, BA Leads list. We click OK. And now we're going to say when someone subscribes to this list, that's what this green little button with an arrow means. So if someone subscribes to BA Leads list, we're going to copy the subscriber to another list. And we're going to select the list here, which is the TYFN main list, which is the MAB system list. And we just click OK. So now we click once and then drag it a little bit here just to make some room. This is going to copy automatically any new BA leads coming to this list into the main list for the system. And now we're going to click here again, and we say when they get into this list, we also want to insert the tag value. So we just go here and say BA lead. Now we go to here and we just put a name like BA Automations, for example, and we click save. And this applies this workflow to the lists. And now, step 3, we need to go to top menu, campaigns, email sequence. And in this page, we go down to the bottom, and we're going to choose 100 here just to see all of the email sequences in one page. We have to go down here until we find this TYBL1 intro. And in the first email, we're going to click on this exclamation mark button. And here, we're going to click on this big blue button, post sending an update. So here we are editing the first email. And we're going to click on this blue button, add tag filter. And we're going to type here exactly the same name of the tag that we put in the workflow. Sorry, BA lead. This needs to be exactly the same name of the tag we put in the step number 2. And this here we have to choose must not have the tag. So now we go down and save. And once we already saved it, we go here to confirmation and we just click save and activate. And now it's active again. And that's it. We have it ready. So they are going to get all the emails except the first email because it's configured to be sent to people who don't have this BA lead tag.
Look, hey, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Look, if you're trying to build the name of your brand, came with a plan, get your name in demand. With Builderall, you can save your day in advance. Keep the apps automated so you barely need to glance. Listen, think of all the power that you hold. It's a new globe, everyone is grabbing for their phones. Imagine the control, build your passion on your own. And the more that you connect, the more attraction they will show. Not only a sales funnel, look, this is more advanced. This will help you compete, but have the upper hand. Keep your products in demand. It's all in one spot. You don't have to calculate and feel afraid with your thoughts. Automate your response. Drag and drop your site or click map your fans, see the pages they like, or use the video wrap or capture their sites. Design your own app from scratch, just how you like. Yeah, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Design with y'all in mind, let entrepreneurs shine. Tired of the 9 to 5, you starting your own grind, and it's alright. They got the tools you need. The connection they designed is truly unique. Never been able to express my views with ease. I move, release, double click, and knew I'm pleased. My clients as well, tired of the hoops and leaps. Too many things in the way of my truth and dreams. A Builderall rock star is what you really are. Tune in on the internet will make you a star. You don't need to study hard, all it takes is a start. Work every day and move higher till you way off chart. Stay on, never sleep on none of the apps. It's a free sign up just so you know in advance. Builderall's for the legends, nothing's holding you back. You got the tools and the plan, you can stay on track. Believe that. They designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall.